Internet browser, a review. What is an internet browser? An internet browser is a tool that lets you use a phone or computer or tablet to visit different places on the internet. The internet is a digital world where you can find and use information. There are many different internet browsers that you can use to explore the internet. Each browser has an icon or picture that helps you recognize it. All internet browsers have a few things that are the same, and this video will talk about the Google Chrome browser and some of its parts. To open the internet browser, you click on the icon or picture of it. When you click on the browser icon, it opens a computer window. Remember, a window on your computer helps you see what is happening on your computer. The browser icon opens an internet window that lets you explore and use the internet. At the top of the internet browser window, there are tabs. A tab is like a small label that helps you find things easily. This picture has a pink tab, a blue tab, and a yellow tab. Each tab shows a different page of the internet. To close the tab, you click on the tiny tab X at the top of the tab. The Maximize button makes your internet browser big. The Minimize button makes your internet browser window hide. To close all of the tabs at once or the entire internet browser, you click on the big red X. What about the address bar? Let's start by talking about what an address is outside of a computer. An address is like a special name that helps people find the exact place they are looking for. Houses, apartments, and other buildings have addresses so that people can find them. People use maps and addresses to find the correct place when they travel somewhere new. In real life, addresses help people find places. On the internet, people use addresses to help them find the correct website. A web address tells you exactly where you are on the internet, just like a house address on a map tells you exactly where you are in real life. At the top of your internet browser window, there are tabs. A tab is like a small label that helps you find things easily. You can have many tabs open at the same time. There are 3 tabs open here. Each tab shows a different page of the internet, and each page of the internet or website has its own website address. The place that you find the web address on a tab is just underneath the tab. Underneath the tabs is a box called the address bar. The address bar in this picture is bright red. On your computer, it can be a different color than red. A web address is made up of letters, numbers, and symbols, like periods, question marks, and dashes. There are no spaces in a web address. Everything is smashed together like one big long word. The address of this website says www.librarymediaclass.com in it. The address of this website says www.pizza.com. The address of this website says www.shoes.com. To go to a website, you use your keyboard to type the address into the address bar. It has to be spelled correctly. Even one tiny mistake will take you to the wrong website. So remember, an internet browser is a tool that lets you use a phone or computer or tablet to visit different places on the internet. There are different web browsers you can use. Each browser has an icon or picture that helps you recognize it. Internet browsers have different parts like tabs, tiny tab X's, maximize buttons, minimize buttons, and the big red X. Remember, an address is like a special name that helps people find a place they're looking for. Website addresses help you find and go to the correct website on the internet. You can find a website's address right underneath the tabs on your internet browser window. Just like in real life, addresses on the internet help people find the places they are going.